husband of former Congresswoman and squad member Cori Bush has been charged with wire fraud related to small business loans he received during the pandemic. Federal prosecutors say Cortney Merritts filed fraudulent applications for COVID relief, securing tens of thousands of dollars in government aid. This is a copy of the indictment filed in D.C. federal court. According to the DOJ, Bush's husband filed 2 Paycheck Protection Program loan applications in 2020 and 2021 for COVID emergency funds that were being offered to struggling small businesses. Here's some of the allegations made inside the indictment. Prosecutors say Merritts owned a moving business called Vetted Couriers and applied for an economic injury disaster loan with the SBA, using false representations with the intent to defraud. He received $8,500 for that loan on July 7, 2020. The day after receiving the loan, another loan application was submitted, but under a different business name, Cortney Merritts, named after himself. Prosecutors say that loan was rejected because it was nearly identical to his previous application, according to the indictment. Prosecutors say after the second loan was rejected, Merritts filed for a PPP loan in 2021 for the Cortney Merritts business and claimed it generated $128,000 in gross income and employed 10 people, something the DOJ says was falsified. Prosecutors say Merritts misrepresented the number of employees and forged supporting documents in order to receive a higher loan amount. This led to a payout of nearly $21,000, which was forgiven by the government when Merritts claimed he spent the money on payroll costs. Under purpose of the scheme to defraud in the indictment, prosecutors say Merritts would attempt to file and cause the filing of materially false applications and requests for an EIDL and PPP funds, which he was not entitled to receive, and to spend the fraudulently obtained money totaling over $20,832 for his own benefit and enjoyment. Lawyers for Merritt denied the allegations, releasing a statement saying Mr. Merritts intends to plead not guilty to the charges. As with any indictment, this is only the government's version of the story. We look forward to litigating this case in federal court in Washington, D.C. Merritt's wife, former Missouri Congresswoman Cori Bush, served 2 terms representing St. Louis before losing her seat in the 2024 Democratic primary. She is not named in the indictment and has not been accused of any wrongdoing. However, Bush previously faced controversy for paying her husband thousands of dollars from her campaign funds to work as her security guard. She paid Merritt $60,000 in 2022 and $42,500 in 2023, according to FEC filings. The Office of Congressional Ethics dismissed a complaint alleging it was a federal election law violation. Last year, it was first reported by the Washington Post the DOJ was investigating Bush over the campaign funds spent on private security. The scope of that investigation is not publicly known and has not resulted in any charges. Thanks for watching our news update. For more unbiased, straight-fact reporting, download the SAN mobile app or visit us online at san.com.